Labas rytas.
Labas rytas.
Labas rytas.
We just woke up somewhere quite close to Vilnius.
How did you sleep, guys?
Well, the sleep was good, but the problem was that there was a massive storm. It was the first time having so much water and rain and everything. Well, fortunately we already packed. Everyone has changed their clothes. First, Eric was sleeping in the tent. Well, we were sleeping in the trailer. He was sleeping in the tent. And he had no objections to it.
Yeah, Eric was very brave last night because I remember that kind of feeling when the wind is just hitting the rooftop tent. It's terrible. You think that you will fly away together with the tent and together with the car, everything. But Eric was very brave. He didn't complain at all. He just gave us one call, short call that he said, what did he say, Luby?
It said that I was like a bit scared because it was very windy.
Yeah, but on the end we offered him to come to sleep with us in our tent, but he didn't want, and he said he will continue sleeping at his tent, his rooftop tent. He just wanted to inform us about his feelings.
It's the nicest when you go down and then you see the like moon. There was a keeper standing.
Nice. They also had a good night.
What happened?
Maybe a tree fell on the or an accident or something. I don't know.
Okay, so we are in a big queue. We have no idea what is happening.
No, we know. The guy just passed and he said spread the word. He said that the big trees fell down. Jesus Christ! Big tree fell down, and well, no one is able to push it away. But the fire department is already on its way, and they're gonna cut it and let us go. But no one knows how long it will take. One pieces here. This is here is also big piece. Yeah, stores like this. Soviet building.
Wow, that's, oh my god, patriots, they have a flag outside. Oh, there is the castle. It's a queue. Oh my god, there is a bridge and there is a queue.
Yeah, everyone wants to take a picture on that bridge.
Yeah?
Yeah. You think we're gonna fit through? Oh my god, guys, are we fitting? Oh no, we're fitting.